Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I enjoy classic recipes such as coq au vin, bouillabaisse, veal piccata, Scotch eggs, and many more. But depending on the dish, I like to add my own little touches, ingredients that will make it even better. There's one that I change a few things on, and in my opinion, it tastes much better than a traditional recipe. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my creamy spaghetti alla carbonara. It's a great meal to make because it takes less than 30 minutes. But now with the added ingredients, this dish is incredibly scrumptious. A classic recipe with a twist to enjoy anytime. So my friends, let's get cooking.
We'll start by placing the spaghetti in boiling salted water and cook according to the instructions. While this is on the go, we'll move on to the next step. In a large saucepan over medium heat, we'll add pancetta and we'll season generously with freshly ground black pepper. It kind of looks like charcoal particles, which the word carbonara is from. So we'll cook the pork until almost crispy, about 8 to 9 minutes, stirring often. Meanwhile, we'll make the sauce. In a mixing bowl, we'll add 3 egg yolks, a little bit of heavy cream, freshly ground black pepper, and lots of it, and finally a third of a cup of Grana Padano cheese. You can substitute for Parmigiano Reggiano cheese if you prefer. Next, we'll whisk the ingredients very well and set aside. Alright, back to the stove. When the pancetta is done, we'll turn the heat down to the lowest setting and add the pressed garlic. We'll saute it for only 1 minute. Again, let's not forget, the heat is on low. To this, we'll pour in dry white wine, stir, and let the liquid evaporate by half, about 5 to 6 minutes. Later on, the wine should be reduced and the pasta cooked. So we'll add our drained pasta to the saucepan and toss until well combined. We'll give a little whisk to our sauce and pour it over the pasta mixture. Then we'll quickly stir everything together. If we don't do it fast enough, the sauce can curdle, okay? Next, we'll add a third of a cup of cheese and of course, we'll mix it well into the pasta before adding the remaining cheese and some fresh chopped parsley. We'll quickly toss and we're done. And my friends, this is how spaghetti alla carbonara. Creamy, smoky, and delicious, this is a beautiful pasta recipe to enjoy anytime. This unctuous dish is not only satisfying, but it takes less than 30 minutes to make. How great is that? I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!